morning. Today is Thursday, May 31st, 2012. Here I give a commentary of the commodities complex as of opening this morning and how the trades closed as of last evening on Wednesday, May 30th, 2012. First we'll take up the Bullions complex. Gold is currently trading at $1,562. It hit a sharp low of $1,532 last night and then bounced back sharply to close above the 1560 mark. It still trades in the range of 1540 to 1568. Resistance now at 1568 to 1578, and support is at 1550 and 1545. It's expected to continue in the same trading range of 1530 to 1570 for now. Any breakout above and below these levels will decide the next move. Of course, INR hit new low of 56.20 yesterday, and strong resistance now at 56.30. A break above could take it to further weakening levels. But market insiders say of RBI intervention during the course of the days ahead and bring it down to around the 54 to 54.50 rupees per dollar. On the MCX exchange, it closed above the 29,100 mark, mainly on account of weakness in the INR. Resistance is now at 29,220 and 29,280, and support is now seen at the 29,000 to 28,950 levels. Wait for INR open and mark fresh entries in the Bullions complex. Silver is now trading at $27.85. It hit a low of 27.3 and a high of 28.3 yesterday. Expected to trade in the range of 27.5 to 28.5. Further weakness will be seen on a sustained volume and close below 27.5 to 27.3. On the MCX exchange, as we had mentioned yesterday, it tested the strong support levels of 53,500 and closed at around the 54,500 levels. Resistance is now seen at 54,800 and 55,200. Major bullishness for further up moves will come only on a close above 55,000 to 55,200. Else it could test the support levels again of 54,000 and 53,800. The Indian GDP data is expected this morning at around noon, and that could decide the next move in the INR, and hence watch out for INR moves before deciding on the next trades for the Bullions complex. Crude came down sharply yesterday, and it's now trading at $87.50. On the MCX exchange, as we have been telling for the past few days, a break below 5050 could test 5,049.80. We had given to our members last evening on a break below 5050 could test 5,030, 5,049.80. It closed at around the 4963 mark. Now it looks further weak, and it could test up to on a weekly close of up to 4,900 on the MCX exchange. But a further break below 4,900 could test even further downside up to 4,860. Watch out for US data on crude inventories, which is expected to be released today. It's expected to be on the higher side, and hence weakness, sell-on rises is what is advised for now. As gas remains weak at around the 138 is the support, currently trading at 141, and resistance only at 145 and 148. Copper traded weak during the course of most of yesterday. Sell-on rises was the strategy advised yesterday. It closed at around 423 levels. Opens marginally weak, expected to open on the MCX at around the 422. If it sustains below 423, it could test up to 421 and 419 levels. Current resistance is seen at 426 only. Nickel continues to remain weak. It is trading around the strong support levels of 910. If it breaks below 910, the further supports could be tested at 900 and 890 levels. Resistance is now seen only at 930 to 935 levels. Sell-on rises advised. Lead, zinc and aluminum trade sideways and remains to hold at the same levels due to major weakness in copper. Wait for fresh entries. Buy on dips is suggested in the second month contract for now. Visit our website at www.akshayashub.com for further trading ideas and strategies during the course of the day. Thank you.